Hello to all the listeners. Today, the topics we would be discussing in this podcast would be the formal definition of penetration testing services, its benefits, and lastly, the types of penetration testing services. So, by the end of this podcast, you would know what penetration testing services are, the benefits they have to offer, and you would be able to tell what type of penetration testing services your software or your mobile application needs. First of all, we will begin by defining penetration testing. As you are aware, the world is moving towards digitization at a very fast speed. Every organization has an online presence. However, where there are a lot of benefits offered by digitization, there are a lot of costs organizations have to pay. The presence of the cybercriminals makes it necessary for every organization to have safety and backup plans ready. They spend days and nights designing different technologies and gateways to secure their data. But how can you be so sure that whatever you have planned or built is perfect to hold cybercriminals from accessing your data? That is where penetration testing services come handy. A team of testers hit your system from every end and try to gain access following the footsteps of a hacker. This gives them an idea about the vulnerabilities present in your system, how hackers can benefit from them, and also helps you cover the loopholes. Now, coming towards our second part of the podcast, benefits of penetration testing services. If we start counting, there are a lot of benefits, but to keep our introduction small, we would share just a few of them. Having penetration testing services for your software ensures it is safe and secure from hackers, it is ready to face any cyber threats, your data can't fall in the hands of cyber criminals, and in case hackers do get in, you have a backup plan ready. Now, we will talk about different types of pen testing and it will help you define which sort of pen testing you should choose for your company or for your software. When it comes to testing of software and mobile applications, a lot of people believe that there is just one type of testing. However, if you look closely at the needs, wants, purpose, and design of every software, you will realize they are different. For example, an educational mobile application is a lot different from a grocery application. Since applications and software are different, should not they have different testing? Yes, you are right. They must be tested differently. However, in order to decide the best penetration testing technique, you must be aware of them all first. Let's discuss the types of penetration testing and discover which one is best for your organization. The first type of penetration testing is called network service testing, and as the name suggests, it focuses on the network side of an organization. This is the most common type of pen testing performed in almost every software house. It focuses on discovering the gaps and vulnerabilities present in your network infrastructure. I hope you are aware of the fact that the network has internal and external access points. So it is crucial to test both of them. There are a lot of services you can avail if you are thinking about securing the network of your organization. Some of the services include firewall bypass testing, IPS deception, DNS level attack, which includes switching or routing based testing, and any miscellaneous network parameter testing. Next, we have web application testing that is designed to test all kinds of web applications. You can think of it as targeted testing, which is more intense and detailed. It usually tests web applications, browsers, and their components like ActiveX, applets, plugins, scriptlets, etc. You can get either or multiple things tested based on your preference. However, keep in mind if you sign up for web application testing, you will have to stay in touch with the testers throughout the testing process. Thirdly, we have client side testing whose goal is to pinpoint security threats having the potential to emerge locally. Examples include flaws in a software application running on the user's workstation, which a hacker can easily pinpoint or exploit. However, apart from being programmers, these can be applications as well as PuTTY, Git, clients, sniffers, browsers of all types, and presentations and content creation packages. It can keep your organization safe while keeping your clients safe as well. In the end, we have wireless network security testing as wireless services are in trend. This sort of testing analyzes wireless devices deployed on the client side. These devices include tablets, laptops, notebooks, iPods, smartphones, etc. Tests can also be done for protocols, access points, and other technological gadgets. So, to sum up, we have discussed the definition of penetration testing, some of its benefits, and the type of penetration testing, and are clear about which testing type is to be used for your organization under different circumstances. It is totally up to you to either choose one type or multiple penetration testing services to ensure the safety of your organization and your clients. We will see you next time with another penetration testing related topic to add to your knowledge. Goodbye.